if you're looking for a perfect free tool you can use to spy on your competitors' adverts on Facebook, or you're looking to find inspiration for your next adverts, or just like many online marketers, you're looking for trending and hot selling products, then this video is just right for you. All I'll share in this video is what we call piggybacking, which basically means using something someone else has done, which is mostly successful, to your own advantage. All right. So if you want to find products that are currently selling right now, see how people are selling it, like look at the advert and see how they're selling it, so that you can just easily jump on it, because this will save you time and effort, even the risk of you trying this product yourself. So because you're literally seeing and modeling what's already working. So that's what we're going to learn in this video. But before we dive right in, just to show you that this is legal and ethical, let's look at Hevel, or what they said on this article, best Facebook ad spying tools for 2023. In this second paragraph, it said, to sustain business and boost revenue inflow in a competitive environment, brands need to analyze what works for their rivals and how they fare in comparison. This includes full competitor analysis of their social media profiles, their website, and social networking site. That's why they went on to share Facebook ad spying tools like Adsplicity, AdSpro, Power Ads, and the rest of them. They share a lot. Now, while these are paid tools, the tools that they share on this website are paid tools. There are several free tools or Chrome extensions that I use that get the job done for me every time, and I'm going to share that with you in this video. But before we go further, please smash the like button below this video. This will help the video to reach more people that needs to see this. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you can join our community of great minds here on YouTube. So remember, I'm showing you 3 ways and tools to use to spy on our competitors' adverts on Facebook, so that we can know how to make ours even better and win the market. So the first one I'm going to teach you is right on Facebook website. We're not using any extra tool, no extra tool needed. Right on the Facebook website, we're going to show you how to spy on people's ad and see what's currently working. So to do that, you just have to go to your Facebook homepage. Like you can go to facebook.com on your laptop, or if you're using your mobile app, is completely fine. So when you're on your Facebook dashboard or homepage like this, you go to search, you look for the search bar if you're on your phone, and you search for these particular key phrases that will bring out adverts that are currently running on Facebook. I will show you how important this is. Now let's go. I will search for a keyword like, or let's say pay on delivery, right? Let me search for a keyword like pay on delivery. Make sure you put the quotation mark at the beginning and the end, so that you can bring out every post or every ad that has that keyword on it. So here, if you want to see other posts on Facebook, not just ad, but other posts on Facebook, you can simply click here. This would bring out posts that are currently running on Facebook. This is since February. This is a post was made in February. Now you can scroll down. We sold this product last year, and the product did amazingly well, man. So you can see what's currently working, product that people are currently running ads on, right? Here you can come over to these filters again. If you want to filter and say you just want a recent post, you don't want to see old posts that have done well or other adverts, which I actually want you to leave, because some of the products you can see on Facebook are evergreen products that always sells, right? They always sell. But for some reason you want to check out the recent posts, you can just toggle this and you can see only recent posts. Or if you want to check by dates, you can choose 2023. If you want to tag by location, let's say I want to add a post from Facebook alone, I don't want post that shows me every other part of the world. I just click on Facebook. This shows me post that I've made on Facebook that has this keyword pay on delivery on it. So I'll just scroll down and see other posts, but sometimes this is not really effective. So I'll just go and reset this, and I will click on all. All means show me everything currently running on Facebook that has the post there, the keyword pay on delivery. Now you scroll down, this is an ad currently running, or not currently, but running on Facebook. I'm not sure it's currently, that's you can easily see and model and know what they're currently doing right or wrong. If they're doing things right, you copy. If they're doing things wrong, you try to edit it and make it better. So you scroll down to see other adverts. You can see this one also. There are other keywords or key phrases you can use. The one I like to use more is nationwide delivery, because people that run adverts on Facebook like to use free nationwide delivery or nationwide delivery. Now once you click on that, you scroll down and you see adverts running on that keyword. So let's say you want to sell perfumes online. This advert is currently doing well or is doing well on Facebook, for it to have 478 comments, this person has sold hundreds, if not thousands of perfumes. So you can easily see how the advert is being constructed and just model it and do yours. Put your own product, upload the images, and boom, click on publish and run an advert for it. Also, you can scroll, this is also perfume. You can scroll down, this is cream, this is engagement or wedding ring. So you can see different adverts of people selling different products. Now, this will help you easily copy or model or redo what they are currently doing for your own particular product. So let's say, for example, you didn't see your own particular product or the product you have for sale, but looking at this will give you an idea of what might convert on Facebook. So you can have your product and put the call and phone number here. The person don't want anybody to copy him or her, so you just watermark the whole pictures with their phone number. So you can simply do things like this. See what's currently working, copy or model it or redo it for your own particular brand or products. Now, the second one I want to show you is a tool that is created by Facebook themselves. It's called the Facebook Ad Library. So to get this tool, you can use it on your phone or laptop also. Go to Google and type Facebook Ads Library. So you type Facebook Ads Library, you click on the first link on Google. This first link will bring you to a page that looks like this. Now, Facebook created this tool for you or any advertisers to see what ads are currently running on Facebook. Like I said, it's legal because Facebook wants to make more money from advertisers. So if you're running advert and your advert is converting, you are making money, you wouldn't want to stop your advert. Hence, they created this tool so that you see what's currently running on Facebook, so that you have an idea and just do yours. Okay. So I type wristwatch here. When you come over here, the first thing you can do is to change the country to whichever country you want. So let's say I want to run an advert for a client in Canada or Australia. I'll come over here, choose the country. Now when I choose the country here, I come over here. Next thing I do, click here to choose all ads. Then you write your keyword here. Now this keyword was to type a keyword. You can also scroll down and choose by advertisers, which I don't normally do. I want to see everybody running ads, but Facebook can also show you by advertisers. All these advertisers, all these guys running ads for wristwatches, you can see their store names or their pages, their Facebook page, and know that, oh, I can name my Facebook page Precious Superstore or Hog Store Luxury or Dara Stores. So you have an idea of what to do. You can also click on this filter right here and you can select by different filter. You can choose the platforms. You can say you want to show only Facebook or only Instagram ad. I'm going to make a video showing you how to run adverts on these different platforms on this channel. So if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I make new videos. So you can see that you can also set it by dates. You want recent advert, you can click on that and click apply, and it will show you adverts that are currently running. However, if you don't do that, you can just scroll through and see what's already running, which I normally do. See adverts that are currently running. You can also click to see the ad details, and you can also click to even see their websites. You can click to see their website and see how they construct their website, what they did wrong or what they did right, or how it's being done. This will help you also construct your website better. All right. So sometimes when I look at advert, I will see what they did wrong or what is not being done well. And I'd be like, oh, you know what? I can do better than this, or I can create more better advert than this. This will help me. You can see this person who's selling wristwatches. He's giving bracelets, a purse, he's giving sunglasses, giving belts. I don't do all this. I don't do all that. But I still sell. But you can do it if it's working for the person. And this page is just hit and run. The person might still be selling. Doesn't really matter. But that's you get the idea. Just for you to see what's currently running on Facebook and how they construct their advert. So if you think you can do better, you should do better. But this will give you an idea of how the adverts is being done. So the third tool I'm going to talk about today is called My Ad Finder. So you go to Google and you type, this only works on laptop, by the way. If you're using a mobile phone, I'm not sure you can add an extension on your mobile phone. So this is called My Ad Finder. So you just type My Ad Finder Chrome extension on Google. This first one, you click on it. Now as you click on it, make sure you're on Chrome browser. So Chrome browser, you click add to Chrome. I've already added it to my Chrome. That's why it's showing me remove. I don't want to remove it because I'm using it. So this ad finder will help you see ads. So filter all the ads on your Facebook homepage. Now I'm going to show you how to see ad related to what you want to sell. But there are a lot of them. There are a lot of Facebook ad finder you can see, but I'm currently using my ad finder, which is working pretty fine for me. So once you add this Chrome extension to your Chrome. It's going to be showing right here at the top. Now, they say go to facebook.com to find more product. Now, let's head to facebook.com. Let's go to the home page. Now, once you are on the home page on Facebook like this, what you need to do, you need to go to where you can see the Chrome extension up here. Click on it and click show only ads. I don't like clicking auto scroll. I like to scroll myself. So I just click show only ads and just click away. So you wait for it to reload. And if you start scrolling, the extension will start bringing up ads that are currently showing on your timeline, on your Facebook timeline. And I will show you how to make sure Facebook show you ads that you want to see that are related to you. So let's just wait a few seconds for it to load. All right, so it will start showing you ads on Facebook. Now, let's just scroll. You just keep scrolling, keep seeing different adverts that are running right now on Facebook. So let's say you are interested in fibroid products, right? So you can just simply engage on this ad. When you engage on this ad and you're fresh, Facebook will start showing you more ads about fibroid and other health issues. So you can just scroll and you see other products selling. This product repairs crack walls. So you can see that this particular product is selling. The person is doing well. You can scroll down and see other adverts also. This is why I'm seeing wristwatches, or this is why you're seeing wristwatches, because this is my field. This is where I'm currently selling wristwatches, wholesale and even retail. So that's why I'm seeing lots of wristwatch ads. Now, the good thing about this tool is that all the ads you are currently seeing, unlike some other Chrome extension that I've used in the past, all the ads you are seeing is going to be saved for you on the homepage of the software or the extension. All the ads you are seeing is going to be saved for you. You can look at this Flutterwave ad we are currently looking at right now on Facebook. It's saved for us right here. So you can just scroll through here. That's why they have the feature of auto scroll. That's why they have the feature of auto scroll. So you can just click on auto scroll and let it scroll by itself to just fetch or collect every ad that it can collect on your Facebook. This is why I like to scroll myself, because I like to see and engage on some of the adverts and bring it down. The software will now bring it down to my, you can see this one we just look at right now. The software will now bring it down to my ad finder dashboard, which I can now scroll anytime I want to just see those ads. You can see the app they're currently looking at right now. Got the fibroid ad, look at Prime Watch. So I don't know if you're enjoying this video. Please like this video if you are, because this tool will really help you in running great ads. Now you can look at right here. You can also see the engagement of the ads. What I normally check on ads are comments and views. You can see 1,485 comments, 254 shares, which is very important on a video on your advert, and you can see 319,000 views on this particular product. Also, the website is here. You can click and visit the website from Ad Finder. This tool is just amazing. So I hope with these 3 ways, using Facebook search and using this particular key phrases, which I'm going to add in the description section of this video, so that you can easily copy and use it for yourself. Or you can use the Facebook ad library, type in your keyword here, right? Choose your country, type in your keyword, and just scroll through and see other adverts. Or you can use this My Ad Finder Chrome extension on your laptop. You can even use the 3 of them before you run adverts. This will really help you get better adverts and even do better than your competitors, right? So I hope this video helped you so much. There are more videos coming up on this channel. Make sure you hit on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, and I will see you on the next. Let me just go through and see more adverts.